Hey Sassy fam, welcome back to Just Abby. So today is just gonna be like any other normal day. But before you get started, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any new videos. So without further ado, let's begin this vid. Rigged! That's what that game is! What? There's no Wi-Fi? And the power's up?
Great! Out of all days this could happen. This happens today when I already lost in a stupid game. Oh my mirror! Ah! Why? Why me? Wait! My headphones are dead! I forgot to charge them! Ah! Look, my power is out!
What? Me.
My power! And I was also in the middle of my reported session! Recording session to be exact. Only I left it with the mirror! That's not a mirror!
Oh yeah, that's really cool.
Shh, don't tell a single soul, okay?
Okay, I won't.
Alright, so, let's just go. We're not even gonna put anything on. You already have this outfit on. Let's just go jump in those puddles.
Yeah, you're so right. Watching you play this game, I somehow got Wi-Fi. So where are you going now? Girl, I'm going to the store to get furniture. Where are you going? I don't even have Wi-Fi, so I can't play this game. Exactly, that's what I thought. Now let's go to the store. Hey, what's that thing? Is that an arch or something? Yeah, no, absolutely not. Of course it's an arch. It's an arch to the store. We use this just to be safe. Do you want to use it? Girl, just go get your things from the store. Okay, jeez, whatever, I guess. Ugh. Oh snap! Malia, why didn't you just go home or stay home instead of just getting that couch? You should have just stayed home. Stop telling me what I should have done, okay? I got this, okay? I literally got this. You can't tell me you got this. You don't got nothing. You probably gonna try to drop that couch and run. Thanks for giving me that idea. Why would you do that? Oops, well, I'll let you know, so whatever, I guess.
Go! That's not gonna save you! You're cooked! You're cooked! Go! Why are you going to the monster? No! 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 Oh my God! Stop yelling! I got this!
Girl, why would you run to the monster? I told you not to. No, you didn't. You just left me there to run to it. So just shut up, okay? Shut your mouth up. Nah, I don't shut up. I grow up. And when I look at you, some 2020 comeback you found on YouTube. Crazy work. I did not find that out on YouTube. I made that up myself. No, you didn't. I saw that on YouTube before, back in 2020 when we were in COVID. Like, literally. You mean during COVID? Also, shut up. You know where we're going. No take backs.
Oh! Shut your mouth! Oh my! Oh my, Mira!
Stop gapping your word. Oh, shut up. You just don't know that because you're not smart like me. I got the brains. You don't. You're the one who ran into a monster anyways. Ran into a monster? Oh, please. Yeah, I ran into a monster. But did I yell? No! You are yelling. Now stop and shut up and just accept the fact that I ran into a monster, okay? Plus, I wasn't even gonna do anything anyways. I was probably gonna die either way, even if I came to my apartment or not. So just shut up.
Okay? You don't tell me to shut up! You shut up!
Oh my, stop yelling.
Okay? I can yell whatever I want, and you can't stop me! Ah!
Mira, calm down. There are better ways y'all can solve this, okay? Did you just yeet, Zara?
Arguing.
Like I said. What is going on here? I heard commotion in here. I come in here to see what this commotion is, and I see y'all arguing. Why are y'all arguing with each other? Y'all are sisters. Y'all are supposed to love each other, not argue with each other every day. But Mom, Malia ran to the monster. Amira, do I have to take you to a therapist? Why do you always yell? Just stop. Yeah, like, we don't care what Malia did. We don't care if she ran to a monster or not. As long as it isn't in real life. It's just a game, Amira. Calm down.
What am I to say? No, calm down! Calm your booty down!
Ugh, fine. Whatever.
No, please stop arguing! And be a normal sibling for once!
Mom, stop yelling.